Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi internet keeps on disconnecting problem in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Wireless Network Connection. Click Properties. Click Configure. Click Power Management. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Click Close. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.